In September 2020, a rare meteorological phenomenon known as a Medicane, or Mediterranean hurricane, named Ianos, unleashed its fury upon Greece. Ianos brought torrential rain and fierce winds to the Ionian Islands and the Greek mainland, causing widespread flooding and destruction. Local residents, like fisherman Nikos, faced unexpected challenges as their livelihoods were threatened by these unprecedented conditions. Stories of families narrowly escaping rising waters in central Greece capture the emotional ordeal the storm inflicted. This Medicane's force illustrated nature's unyielding power and left communities grappling with its aftermath. It showcased the necessity of understanding and preparing for such rare phenomena, highlighting both nature's awe-inspiring might and the resilience of those affected.